In this video, we're going to learn about the division property of equality. So this is one of the other properties that are important in understanding in math and geometry. So I have other videos on the different other properties. So this is our next lesson. So let me give you a definition of this. So if you have any real numbers, say A, B, and C, if A is equal to B and C cannot equal 0, then A over C is equal to B over C. So what this is really saying is that you can divide both sides of the equation and the equation will still be equal. So let me give you some real examples so that we understand this. So let's say, for instance, we have 3x is equal to 12. So if we use that property again where we can divide both sides by the same number, then the equation is still going to be equal. So let's say we divide this by 3, then x is equal to 4. So both sides are still equal. I do have another video on the multiplication property of equality, so we can use this right now. So let's say we multiply both sides by 3. So 3 times x, 4 times 3. We're going to have 3x, 12. See, we're back to the same equation of 3x is equal to 12. So that's what the division property of equality is. Let me give you a geometry example since our focus in this playlist is geometry. So let's say we have 3AB is equal to 15. So remember, this is a line segment. So if we divide both sides by 3, see, we're dividing both sides by the same number, then we have AB is equal to 5. So if you divide both sides by the same value, the equation is still equal. And the helpful thing here is that when you divide both sides by the same value, it helps you solve the equation. But I will be getting to those lessons in the future. So just remember that division property of equality allows you to divide both sides by the same value, and the equation is still going to be equal, but you cannot divide by 0, because in math we cannot divide by 0. I will be creating a video in the future about maybe why we can't divide by 0, but that's going to be in the future. So I hope this was clear. This is going to be helpful to know. If you liked the video and it was helpful, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment.